Hello dear students, we are studying the chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life. So far we have studied a few topics, right? What is cell, who discovered cell and how, right? So why is the cell called the structural and functional unit of life? And also we have covered a few features of the cell including plasma membrane, cell wall, right? So today we are going to study a new feature of the cell. So before that, let me show you one picture. So here you can see a cell wall, right? So what is a cell wall? It is the outermost layer present in only plant cell. It is not there in a animal cell. Okay, so here in plant cell, this cell wall gives the shape for the cell. Okay, so if we go inside this cell wall, we can see one more layer, that is plasma membrane. In this picture you can see a pink colored line is there, right? This circle is a plasma membrane. This is present in both plant cell and animal cell. But here in animal cell, this plasma membrane gives the shape to the cell. Okay, in case of plant cell, the cell wall gives the shape to the cell, right? Fine. So now today we are going to see what is there inside this plasma membrane. Okay, so we are moving inward inside the cell. Fine. So here let us see what is there inside the plasma membrane. You can see somewhat a yellowish colored thing is there, right? So this is nothing but cytoplasm. Okay, so this area is nothing but cytoplasm. So what is cytoplasm? Fluid filled area present inside the plasma membrane is called cytoplasm. So this is not an empty area, actually it is filled with a fluid which is made up of organic and inorganic compounds. So you know that cell consists of certain components, right? And those components we call it as cell organelles, right? So these cell organelles are present inside this cytoplasm. Okay, so this cytoplasm is giving space or matrix or medium for the cell organelles. These cell organelles keep on floating in this cytoplasm. Okay, so this is a fluid. Cytoplasm. Fluid filled area present inside the plasma membrane is called cytoplasm. It contains a mixture of water and soluble inorganic and organic compounds and various organelles. So, this fluid is made up of a mixture of water and soluble and inorganic and organic compounds. Fine. And these cell organelles keep floating in this cytoplasm. Okay. Here the main function of the cytoplasm is it is giving accommodation for the cell organelles, right? Along with that, number of metabolic activities takes place in this place. Okay, so actually it is the medium of early steps of respiration. Early steps of respiration takes place in this area. Okay, these things you are going to study in your higher classes. Now let us imagine, let us compare a cell with a house. Okay, so the outermost covering of the cell is cell wall, right, which is giving protection to the cell. So if we take a house as an example, the outermost wall, it is a compound, right? So here you can see a compound. So this is a cell wall. Fine. So inside this cell wall we have a plasma membrane, which is a semi-permeable membrane or selectively permeable membrane. That means which allows only certain substances to move in and out of the cell. So that we can compare here with these walls. Okay, the walls of the house. These also have some openings are there, right? So here door is there, windows are there. So this is like a plasma membrane. Fine. Inside this plasma membrane we have the cytoplasm, okay, which is a medium for the cell organelles, where the cell organelles float. Okay, so if we go inside this house, there will be a floor, right, on which we have so many things will be there, right, things will be placed on that floor. So it is giving that accommodation. So that floor acts as a cytoplasm. Okay, so like this we can compare a cell with a house. Now from next class we are going to study about the